What is up, guys? Recording another video. Hope you are enjoying the videos, the previous videos. I'm not getting any comments about these videos. Kindly, if you like or hate something, comment down below and please let me know. Soon we're gonna have one more edition in our SRAMS family, and it's a surprise for you guys. And hope you will like it. He's trying to wheelie it, but this old grandpa can't can't jump, And because of their heavy weight and like they have solid and heavy engines and on heavy frames, metal frames, so it's hard to wheelie these these kind of bikes.
Get it, I'm getting back up. Always stand tall, no sweat it. I never back up. I don't miss a thing, I'll regret it. I'm always